in this video, we're going to go through Michael Gayne's other charges. The first one is in 2000. This is for DUI, reckless driving, speeding, and I think not having his license on him. So obviously not overly serious, although DUI is pretty serious. So that was in December of 2000. When you look further down at the sentencing, you can see that in 2002, July, he got a fine and they decided to drop the prosecution of most of the charges there. You can see that he had put in that he wanted a jury trial, and then the judges of the Western Judicial Circuit had to recuse themselves. They had to wait for a judge from a different county to take the case, and then you can see that he got a plea agreement. So a slap on the wrist, essentially. Make sure you keep watching because they get more interesting as we go along. The next charge was in 2001, and this one is driving while license suspended or revoked. You can see here as well that he just got a fine and probation for that. Now the next part is really weird. When I was looking through this next section on the docket, I noticed that there was an entry on March 8th, 2026, and I thought that was really weird. So you can see here they've just uploaded the document that is the motion to dismiss for that case. Why do you think they needed to update that at that time? The timing is very dodgy, in my opinion. I guess it just confirms my suspicions, maybe. But you make up your own mind, of course. The next charge is a simple assault, and this one was actually against his dad, who was Superior Court Judge Joseph Gaines. So this one is in 2004. It says, Ralph W. Powell, as prosecuting attorney, blah, 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 does hereby charge Michael Gaines with simple assault, which placed Joseph Gaines, his father, in reasonable apprehension of immediately receiving a violent injury. So with this one, you can see that he got bond, then he got an arraignment, then he didn't turn up, so there was a bench warrant issued, and then motion to dismiss. And the reason is the solicitor's assessment of the public interests and the interests of justice warrant termination of prosecution. I don't know. They're part of the club.